Welcome to the training on becoming the featured offer. The featured offer can earn your listing prominent placement within a product detail page, so let's learn about eligibility. After this video, you'll know strategies for becoming the featured offer and tips for resolving eligibility issues. We know that the featured offer is prominently placed within a product detail page, but how can your products become the featured offer? First, you'll want to make sure your account and products are eligible to be a featured offer. To be eligible, you'll need a professional selling account. We also consider your account's overall health and performance to give customers the best experience possible. This includes your account's order defect rate, time selling on Amazon, and other metrics like competitive pricing and offering multiple shipping options. Remember, a featured offer is always an offer in new condition. One of the first steps you can take towards becoming the featured offer is to price competitively. What is competitive pricing? Amazon considers an offer competitive if it's priced at or below the prices we find for the same product from other reputable retailers outside of Amazon. Remember, we compare the total price paid by customers, so shipping is also included in making your offer competitive. If you aren't sure how to price your product, find the Manage Inventory page under the Inventory tab. Turn on the Buy Box Price column under Preferences and press Save Changes. Now you can see the price that is currently the featured offer, even if it's from another seller. For more insight, visit the Pricing Health page under the Pricing tab. Select the Featured Offer tab to view real-time data of your performance and recommendations for improvement. You'll see which of your offers aren't eligible because they don't have a competitive price. You can also see ASINs that are eligible for featured offers but are currently being beaten by a lower price. Press the blue button on the right to update an ASIN to a more competitive price, making it featured offer eligible. For more help, you can use Automate Pricing to keep your prices competitive automatically. Prices can change rapidly on Amazon, and assigning predefined rules to SKUs helps keep prices competitive and eligible for featured offers. You can customize these rules to automatically match the lowest price, featured offer price, or to simply maintain a competitive price. You can also set minimum and maximum prices for your products, so you'll always receive a price you're comfortable with. Predefined rules make it easier to stay competitive. And remember, if a competitive price goes up, your offer price changes too. Find the Automate Pricing page under the Pricing tab. To add a SKU to the competitive price rule, select Edit SKUs. On the Manage SKUs page, select Take Action on a SKU you'd like to add and choose Assign to Rule. Then you can set minimum and maximum prices to assure the price stays where you're comfortable. Now, this ASIN's price will be automatically updated to remain competitive. Keeping your inventory updated is another great way to compete for featured offers. Out-of-stock products can't become the featured offer, so plan accordingly for fast-selling items. You can manage low inventory and restocks with the Inventory Dashboard. This tool alerts you to products that may run out of stock soon. To find it, go to Inventory Planning under the Inventory tab. Maintaining a great customer shopping experience is key to becoming the featured offer. So be sure to set your account to inactive whenever you plan to go on vacation or know you'll be unable to attend to your store. To set your account as inactive, click Account Info under Settings. From here, click Going on a Vacation next to Listing Status. Select Inactive and then press Save. Know that your offers won't be shown on Amazon until you decide to switch back to active. This way, you'll avoid any unfortunate issues while you're away from your store. Next, offering multiple shipping options whenever possible is another great way to improve your chances of becoming the featured offer. View your available shipping options on the Shipping Settings page found under the Settings tab. Finally, providing high-quality customer service and shopping experiences can help you become the featured offer. See how you're doing by checking your account health found under the Performance tab. Metrics like order defect rate, cancellation rate, and late shipment rate are shown here. These metrics go towards your overall account health and help measure the customer experience you're providing. Now that you know how to improve your chances of becoming the featured offer, it's time to start setting some competitive prices. Thank you, and happy selling on Amazon!